Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin, collective love reading. Collective, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading, makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka makarelate, hindi ka makaresonate, huwag pilitin kasi may iba pa naman tayong readings. Ayan. And if you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. Or if you want, pwede mo akong i-check. Meron akong available na reading sa TikTok shop. Ayan, check mo na lang sa TikTok shop, Unipree. By the way guys, magkaiba yung TikTok shop dun sa talagang TikTok na account na fina-follow. Maraming followers. Yung TikTok shop is business po yun doon sa TikTok shop. Sa TikTok. And doon kayo magme-message. Yun yung may mga naka-upload na product. Ayan, doon kayo mag-message. Kasi yung TikTok shop, yung TikTok ko po, marami na po nagme-message doon. Umabot na ng hundreds. Matatabunan po talaga yung mga message nyo doon. Okay? Lalo na kung wala namang kinalaman sa doon sa product na babibilhin. Which is, yun yung may kasamang tarot reading and astrological reading. Naka-sale pa yan guys, ha? So, check mo na lang. Parang as low as 299. Yun, may kasamang astrological reading. Tapos, yung isa na, kung gusto mo ng tarot, palm reading, or astrological reading, pwede yan. Crystal bracelets yung kasama niya. For only 699. Ayan, may crystal bracelet na may reading pang kasama. Anyway, sinashuffle ko to. I feel good already. Simulan na natin. Collectives. Okay. Queen of Wands, Six of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck, wait lang po ha. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Coins. Okay. Some of you I feel like meron kang mga people in the past, no, na pwedeng iniiwasan. Or maybe may mga financial issues ka dito sa mga taong to. Maybe you have listened to them, nakinig ka sa kanila. And maybe yung connection ninyo, even though usapang pera, usapang karera to, sinamahan mo ng emosyon, no? Some of you pwedeng friends, you know, yung dapat magka-trabaho, magka-usap lang kayo na may usaping pera, career, ganyan. Magka-trabaho, magka-negosyo lang kayo. Pero maybe ikaw, nauna sa'yo or nanguna sa'yo yung emosyon. Diba? And in a way, naapektuhan ka ng lubos dito. With the Six of Cups, maybe these are past people. Maybe ganun ka in the past. Maybe nagpakatatay ka sa kanila or vice versa. Pwedeng sila, naging tatay sila sa'yo, etc. And although marami ka namang natutunan or marami kang naituro sa kanila, with the Page of Swords, the energy here with the Page of Swords is like rebellion. Like, okay, nakinig na ako sa inyo dati. Natutunan ko na yung mga bagay na dapat ko matutunan. Maybe it's time for me to say no. This is you saying no. This is you maybe during this period, medyo nagkakaroon ng dungis or hindi magandang pagtingin ka sa mga taong ito. Or maybe yung commitment mo para sa kanila medyo nabawasan. You're transforming yourself. No? And tell me about the people na nakakonect mo. Or person. You know, this is love reading by the way. So, yung person naman nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Pero gusto ko yung energy mo kasi parang hindi ka na magpapaapi. Yan. Parang hindi na ako magpapaapi. Oo, naging masaya akong kasama kayo. Naging kaibigan tayo. Pero ibang usapan to eh. Parang kailangan ko na mag-focus sa career ko. And kailangan ko ng, you know, I feel like you have already itong mga taong ito, kung ano talaga sila as a person, ano talaga yung itinatago nila behind that mga ngiti, mga tawa. Parang nakilala mo sila bigla. Parang ganun. And because of that, nakilala mo yung mga totoong tao sa'yo. You know what I mean? Anyway, sino ba itong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. With over the Chariot, it is Cancer energy. Major Arcana. 10 of Wands. Isa pang card. Ten of Swords, 10 of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, with the Chariot, I feel like itong taong ito ay bago tayo dun sa the Chariot, I just want you to see, guys. Tatlo yung 10 dito. 10 of Wands, 10 of Cups, and 10 of Swords. And sa tarot deck, guys, 4 lang yung 10. Which is the 10 of Swords, 10 of Cups, 10 of Wands, and the 10 of Pentacles. Pero wala yung 10 of Pentacles dito. Tatlo yung 10. And number 10 sa tarot reading is maybe, sa numerology, has something to do with ending. So, maybe there's an ending na nangyayari sa inyo na itong person na ito. And tatlo yung maybe nagiging reason, which is maybe ending with the 10 of Cups, pwedeng family, ending with the 10 of Wands because of responsibilidad, and 10 of Swords, maybe separation, and this is a painful ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito. Kasi parang may mga bagay na dapat talagang i-end na. And you do have the Chariot. This is your person na pwedeng umiiwas or lumalayo sa'yo. I feel like medyo naging disappointed siya kung paano ka umact or umarte. Or ano yung mga ginawa mo in the past na naging dahilan para umiwas siya, lumayo siya. Parang, maybe hindi naman dapat siya aalis or hindi naman dapat siya lalayo. Or hindi naman dapat matatapos to kung hindi ka naging immature, kung hindi ka nagpakita ng ganito, ganyan. The Page of Pentacles is here, so that is Taurus and Virgo energy, Capricorn energy. I don't know, I feel like meron siyang itinatago. Or maybe yung mga dahilan kung bakit nag-end or kung bakit siya umiwas, pwedeng itinatago niya sa'yo. There's separation here. There's an ending na nangyayari. Pagka-cut off. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of collectives. Page of Cups. The Hanged Man is at the bottom of the deck. Six of Coins, Page of Cups, and a Page of Wands. So, yeah, mahal mo tong person na to. Diba? And might be there's this willingness sa'yo or part sa'yo na parang willing kang magpakatanga para sa kanya. You're patiently waiting. You're really waiting with the Hanged Man. Naghihintay ka talaga sa person na to. Na kahit gaano pa katagal talaga naghihintay ka. And with the Six of Coins, it feels like willing kang alisan, layuan itong mga taong nagbibigay ng opportunity sa'yo or maybe nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo. Or maybe you see these people as stress, pero they are the one who are really helping you with regards might be sa iyong finances, diba? With your goals. Parang sila yung taong nandyan para sa'yo. But maybe this is the time na parang, ayun na nga you are willing na mag-take ng risk kahit ikaw ang mahihirapan. I feel like you're trying to get out of something na talagang nagbibigay ng tulong or ng maybe even love sa'yo. No? And you want something na parang tingin mo hindi mo nakukuha dito sa kung ano yung lugar or sitwasyon or katayuan mo ngayon. You want more. I feel like you have everything na kailangan mo ngayon. Pero feeling mo may mas magbibigay sa'yo ng maybe magandang future or magandang, may mga hinahanap mo sa sarili mo. And so, pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng yung mga katangahan na ginawa. And yeah, nakita natin yung pagiging immature mo sa part na ito, emotionally. Kumbaga, you are willing to get out of a situation na mas maganda na nga sa'yo or na maganda naman yung katayuan mo. Diba? Anyway, wait lang guys. Kunin natin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo. Emotion niya para sa'yo. You do have here the Five of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Justice card, and the Page of Wands. I mean, the Page of Wands is nandito din. Pareho kayo ng person na may Page of Wands dito. I feel like there's some kind of truth with the Justice card ang nalaman or sinabi dito na nagkaroon ng dahilan para magkaroon ng pagkakagulo, pag-aaway. And with the Four of Wands, this is something na happy or maybe a very stable connection. Tapos nagkaroon, maybe yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng ending because of pagkakagulo sa the way ng communication. Yeah, something to do with communication or I feel like nagdulot itong immaturity mo or ninyong pareho, kasi nakakita rin tayo ng immaturity sa person mo, na naging dahilan para magkaroon ng pagkakagulo, pag-aaway, and something to do with the truth na nailabas dito. The Four of Wands is here, so I feel like this person nag-iisip siya ng something na stable. I feel like, sa inyong dalawa. Pero, masyadong magulo pa yung sitwasyon ngayon. Ay parang walang choice itong person na to kundi manahimik, lumayo, umiwas. Yeah, so death card is here. So, wala siyang choice kundi mag-end or i-end or mag-move on from this connection. Maybe kasi masyadong magulo. Maybe nakikita niya rin yung connection or kung ano meron and kung saan anong pwedeng mangyari in the future, like saan pwedeng mahumantong ang connection na to. Pero ayun, medyo I feel like walang kaya yung person mo sa situation niya ngayon. Like, hindi niya kayang i-handle yun. Hindi niya kayang ayusin. Take only what resonates, guys. But ang napapansin ko dito is that there's a lot of page, guys. Dito sa side mo, tatlo na yung page eh. Page of Cups, Page of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Which is, yung page kasi nagpapakita ito ng immaturity. This is the youngest card sa tarot. So, page is the youngest card. So, nagpapakita ng immaturity. And then, sa side ng person mo is, meron din Page of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. Maybe something, I don't know, some of you guys may pwedeng may kinalaman sa children because page can also signify children. So, I don't know kung may involved bang bata dito sa side ninyong pareho. Like, this is how I view this cards right now na ito yung pwedeng nagpapagulo sa isip at sa sitwasyon at sa pagdedesisyon ng person na ito. Like, maybe ikaw, you are more eager na i-work out ito. Pagtulungan natin. This is you with the 6 of Coins. Pagtulungan natin. Whatever your situation is, magulo yan. But I can help you na ayusin yan. This is you, no? And you are willing to listen. Tanggalin yung mga magugulo sa side mo. No? And you are positive dito sa connection ninyo. And then, you want this person to do the same. Parang gusto mo, maging maayos din siya. Ayusin din niya yung kaguluhan sa side niya. But rather, sa halip na ayusin yung sa side niya, ang nangyari is ang nag-end yung sa inyo. That is how I see the connection here. What will happen in the future for this connection? You do have here the 3 of Wands, the Queen of Coins, and the Queen of Swords. Clarify the Queen of Coins and the Queen of Swords. You do have here the 3 of Swords. What's with the 3 of Swords? Marami tayong card na lumabas. Bottom of the deck is the 9 of Cups. So the 3 of Swords is clarified by the 5 of Swords and the Ace of Swords and the 5 of Coins. Okay. Sa side ng person na ito, in the near future for collectives, please. We do have here the Wheel, Knight of Swords, is the Queen of Coins, the Sun, clarify the Sun, please. This is an Ace of Wands. The Hanged Man is here. The Ace of Wands, the Ace of Swords. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune, oh my gosh, guys. Hindi ko to in-expect. Like, ang weird ng feeling. I mean, ang weird ng outcome niya. Kasi, I'm expecting something, honestly ha, hindi sa negative ako masyado. Pero, yung tinatakbo ng story kanina, ang supposed to be ending niya is for me, parang, dapat magbibigay ako ng advice. You know what I mean? I was like thinking na hindi magiging okay. But anyway, ituloy ko na yung reading kasi nakaka-excite. Why? Five of Swords is here. This is you. And the Five of Coins. Yan. Nagkakaroon ng pag-alis. This is you na pwedeng making changes with the Ace of Swords. By the way, ang Ace of Swords, 2 beses nagpakita. May mga mirroring cards kayo dito. So, might be this is a connection na talagang very spiritual. Maybe a twin flame connection. May mga cards dito na nagmi-mirror. No? Doon pa lang sa page kanina, may nag-mirror na. Then, dito naman, ang nag-mirror dito is the Ace of Swords and the Queen of Coins. So, dalawa yung nag-mirror. You will still be missing this person in the future. Nandun yung pagka-miss mo sa kanya. Pero may something nagugulat sa'yo sa person nito. Kasi, while you are missing this person, meron tayong nakikita ang dalawang person dito, dalawang tao dito na pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo. Pero yung pagkakagulo na yon, it is an opportunity para maging mas magaan or mas mabilis yung daloy ng connection mo with this person. Like, there's some kind of delay sa connection ninyo. Maybe even conflict sa connection ninyo. Pag-aaway na nakikita natin. Pero, etong pag-aaway na ito, yung gigising sa energy ng person na ito, like your person, na parang maiintindihan niya sa sarili niya kung wait lang, time out lang, wait lang, pahinga lang tayo konti, parang ganon. Masyadong mainit yung away. Pero, this would lead into this person na magkaroon ng pag-intindi sa kung ano yung emotion niya talaga. Kung ano talaga or sino talaga yung laman ng puso niya. And kung mas maiintindihan niya kung paano yung sufferings, paano yung pain, at mahirap pala talaga, pag wala ka, or pag hindi natuloy itong connection nating dalawa, parang ganon. This is the energy of your person. Now, dahil doon sa delay na yon, sa conflict na yon, nakikita natin yung conflict na yon or yung delay na yon, pwedeng magbigay ito ng sakit sa'yo na parang masasaktan ka, iiyak ka, para ka nawalan, ganyan. And then, pwedeng questionin mo, bakit hindi ako? Maybe you're expecting na ikaw ang pipiliin or what, ng person na, I'm feeling like, lalo na with the Three of Swords, maybe there's another person. Maybe there's another person na nagte-take power dito sa person na ito. Maybe this is religion, maybe this is family, maybe these are friends, na parang, or maybe a partner, relationship, third-party situation. So, pwedeng, yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo umiwas, lumayo sa person nito, nagkakaroon ng delay. Pero, the moment na ikaw ay mag-walk out sa connection, may gugulat sa'yo. No? I am seeing you having another option here. So, pwedeng dumating yung point na pag nag-let go ka sa person na to, there's another option for you na magiging dahilan with the Eight of Swords na parang, okay, kailangan ko nang tanggapin, this is for me, ito na siguro yung para sa akin, ito na talaga yung dapat kong tanggapin, that I shouldn't, focus on this person na stubborn, lazy sa connection namin, di ba? Parang, bakit ako magfo-focus sa taong wala namang lazy, napakatamad pagdating sa connection na ito. Yeah. So, this is you. Ngayon, the moment na you walk out from this connection and ikaw yung naging Queen of Swords, ikaw yung nag-cut off sa connection na to, tinanggal mo yung paghihintay, tinanggal mo yung expectations. Yan, biglang nagpakita si Ace of Wands, guys. Ace of Wands, so 4 ng aces na yun nandito. Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. And guess what? Dalawang parehong card yan. Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. The moment na umalis ka, walk out ka, kinut off mo yung person mo, yun din yung moment na magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa person na to. Like, if this is a twin flame connection, you're both mirroring each other na. Ayan o, Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. Magkakaroon ng parehong pag-iisip at parehong emotion sa inyo na parang alam mo, twin flame connection is really hard to explain. Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng parehong frequency. And pag pareho na yung frequency ninyo, kasi dito sa mundo, lahat naman punong-puno ng energy. Diba? And yun yung energy, yun yung tinatawag din nating frequency dito. Pag pareho na kayo ng frequency, pareho na kayo nag-a-align, it's hard to explain, guys. Pero halimbawa, may dalawang ilaw dito, sabihin na natin ganon. Tapos may isang wire na nagko-connect sa inyo. Okay? Dito ilaw, dito ilaw. Tapos sabihin na natin halimbawa may baterya sa gitna. Yung baterya is the love. The union between the two of you. Pwedeng ganon. Kailangan magpantay kayo or tumama maging okay yung wire or okay kayong pareho para mag-work out at mangyari yung union sa inyo. So, kailangan magkapareho kayo ng frequency. And the moment na magkapareho kayo ng frequency ng person na ito, there's no more tug of war na nakikita natin. Also, ngayon ko lang din napansin, there's this hangman pareho, and na may sa side niya. So, this is the connection between the two of you na nagmi-mirror. Pareho na, ang dami ng similarities sa inyo talaga. The moment na nagkaroon ng pagkakapareho dito, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. The Queen of Coins, parehong nandito. Queen of Coins. So, pag pareho na kayo ng way ng pag-iisip, ng emotion sa isa't isa, I feel like this person with the Sun and the Fool, nakita tayo ng pagtitake ng risk dito sa person na to. Guess what? Nagpakita rin si Queen of Swords. Guys, nagbi-mirror po talaga. Ayan, Queen of Swords, this is the same energy. So, pag pareho na yung energy ninyo sa isa't isa, reunion is coming, reconciliation with the Three of Cups. Siya mismo ang kusang babalik or magagawa ng paraan para magkaroon ng connection sa inyo. Hindi lang siya basta ko-contact, guys. Huwag mo maliitin itong person na to. Hindi siya ganun. Magta-travel siya, makikipagkita siya sa'yo. Gagamit siya ng pera to see you. I mean, maybe you're the one who is more communicative. Ikaw yung magaling sa connection, communication, pero itong taong to, hindi ako ganyan. Haharap ako sa'yo. If I want you, if I will fight for you, makikipagkita ako sa'yo para ilagay. Ganun talaga, guys. Sa twin flame connection, ganun talaga. Feminine is the one na unang nagigising sa connection. The feminine energy. Or, there's feminine and masculine. And si masculine, siya yung pwedeng maiwas. Siya yung malayo. Okay? Pero si feminine, siya yung mas spiritual. And I feel like that is you. Mas spiritual, mas nakilala mo yung connection, mas nagising ka sa spiritual na connection ninyo. And then after nun, pag nagising na si feminine, maghahabol si feminine. That is how twin flame connection goes, no? Yun talaga ang mga nangyayari. And then si masculine, dahil napaka-intense ng connection, the masculine lalayo, iiwas. Okay? Maybe hindi niya papakinggan yung natakot siya sa connection, nagkaroon siya ng insecurities, etc. At first, pwedeng si feminine ang unang umiwas, but then, dahil sa intensity, but then pag alis or paglayo ni masculine, pwedeng si feminine ang magising, ganun. And after na si feminine ay mag-let go, mag-surrender sa divine timing sa universe, ngayon, trabaho naman ng masculine is, siya naman yung magigising and siya yung maglalagay nito sa reality, sa realidad. Okay? Napaka-komplikado, guys, but this is a twin flame connection. I can really feel yung twin flame connection sa inyong dalawa. And, napagod ako. Napagod ako at nahilo ako sa reading. And nakaamoy ako ng Coke, ng soft drinks. I don't know if you're drinking soft drinks right now. This could be a reading. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Mandampi TV, Virgo, Philippines. Tapit Hapon TV. Waterside, Philippines. Ayan. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. If you want to book a personal reading, Unipre, pumunta ka na lang dito kung may available pang bracelet dito. Okay? Yun yung bracelet na may kasamang tarot reading, astrological reading, or palm reading. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.